Good morning, Bastien May from BVN Real Estate in San Juan del Sur. We looked here in Barrio Français, so it's the 3 blocks from the beach neighborhood. And we have like this house for sale. I have no information yet, just the price, which is under $30,000. So no lot almost. We have a patio outside, and it should be like I guess a 4-bedroom house. We are in the small back road of the neighborhood La Planta, and the main road to come to the neighborhood, you see it just over there. So few meters from us, probably like 40 meters. So a very quiet area. You have like mango trees over there. Here is citrus. I forgot if it's lime or orange. And this house. So the goal here, of course, is to remodel the house, repair it, fix it, probably put a second floor, and go for rent. Today rents are much more higher than it was before. So I will say for less than $13,000, I will trust that it's a good investment. We were asking the owners to fix to clean the bits before to get in. He's working now, but as I was going to have some pictures to have a look, I take a minute to make a video. So in front of us, we have a small sales second-hand store. Here there is a mechanic, Ricardo, which is actually a good place to fix your car. It's a quiet area. I will reconfirm the price, but yeah, less than $30,000 for 4-bedroom house. It's built on blocks and concrete. Doesn't look nice from here. I'm sorry, I will pass to the other side. You have like an almond tree over there. Actually, we have like a mango tree here. Or is it? No, it's an orange tree, sorry, excuse me. So you have a lime, orange, almond tree on the garden. So you see the property line makes about 12 meters wide for similar size size distance deep. Okay, I'm sorry if this video is not very efficient and probably missing information, but okay, let's look back now, coming back on the main road to show you a bit where the neighborhood is and where you will live at. So here on the right, I repair my some motors, so you can repair some boat motors, some generators. On the left there is welders, so I go there to make my the metal sign, also some structures on my house. And we are only like few blocks from church, so as we have a stabilizers on this camera, we can go biking and we go to have a look of how far the church is of San Juan del Sur. It will give you an idea, also allowed you to have a look and feel the spirit of San Juan del Sur. So Hotel Surf Town here. It's a backpacker hotel, hostels with pool. You have like grocery stores and tapiceria on the right. Oh, there is a new place that will open, Tipsy Taste. And the church is just here.